Hello, my name is Yenny. I'm the owner of Yenny Lee Bridal Couture. Normally, I create wedding dresses and haute couture gowns. You can see my works on yennylee.com or my Instagram account yennylee_couture. Today, I will share you 14 important tools you need for sewing. First, we have carbon paper to trace the pattern into the garment. Then, tracing wheel to trace the pattern, and chalk to mark the garment. This is actually a replacement tool for tracing from paper to garment. Next, we need pins to secure the patterns and the garment when sewing. And then, we need cutting table. Or, you can also cut on your floor, but make sure your floor is clean, otherwise it stains your fabric. Then, we need scissor. I normally have small and big scissors. This is just about preference. And we also need thread nippers. This is also optional. You can just use your scissor to cut the thread. Then obviously, we need the needle, hand sewing needle, and machine needles. Next, we need seam ripper, just in case you need to rip some part while sewing. Then thread, usually same color grading from your fabric. Then ironing board. This is important, especially when you want to sew an evening gown. And we need iron. You can use your home iron, that is enough. And obviously, we need the sewing machine. In my opinion, if possible, when you sew an evening dress, please use the modern sewing machine. The reason is the oil from the classic sewing machine usually goes out and it stains on your fabrics. Especially if you work with expensive fabric, you will feel regret if the stains won't go out. The last, we will use mannequin to make sure and showing off your creation. Well, at least that's for me for the showing off part. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give a like and remember to subscribe my channel if you would like to see another sewing tutorial. Also, don't forget to come and find me on Instagram to see some other things that I make. See you!